2/3 of a cup of water, pinch of sugar, pinch of salt, 1 1/4 teaspoons yeast, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 2 cups of pizza flour. Mix it. Don't touch it. Ta-da!
Okay, let's get to work here. You can find that pizza dough recipe on my YouTube channel, by the way. So the classic Big Mac has a few special ingredients in there. Of course, they have their Big Mac sauce. I do have an imposter sauce recipe on my YouTube channel. We'll start out here by dicing up some onions. Then we're going to set them aside. I have cooked 2 burger patties. I'm going to go ahead here and just dice those up and also set them aside. Last but not least, of course, we need some shredded lettuce, which we are going to add onto our cheeseburger pizza after it has finished cooking. Okay, that pizza dough is all ready. We'll go ahead and sprinkle our countertop here or cutting board, whatever board you are using, with a little bit of flour. We'll go ahead and press that out. Whether or not you want to toss this up in the air and have some fun is your choice. Just be sure to spread it out. Use a rolling pin if you prefer. I have a nice board, which I am now placing that pizza dough on. Then I'm just going to go ahead and stretch this out a little bit. And there comes the nice special sauce. We'll go ahead and spread that around. Dress this cheeseburger pizza right up. There are those diced onions. Of course, we need lots of pickles on this cheeseburger pizza. We'll dress that up nicely and then move on to our chopped up burgers. There they are. This cheeseburger pizza is coming together quite nicely. A few slices of cheddar cheese, of course, are required on this pizza. And then we'll finish it off with some nice mozzarella. And then in the oven it goes. Do me a favor as well. Smash that like button. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'm showing you this here because I was out of parchment paper. So be sure to use a little bit of flour or parchment paper while putting the pizza onto your pizza stone. That way it does not stick. So I have to be very careful and watch this in the oven to make sure it doesn't stick to my pizza stone. Here it comes. Look at this cheeseburger pizza.
Not done yet.
Adding on a little bit more of our special sauce, and of course that shredded lettuce will be up next to finish this off. Doesn't that look just like a Big Mac?
A Big Mac is never neat. McDonald's Big Mac pizza. You gotta make this one. Oh, look at that. Look at that crust. No flop here. It's a Big Mac, right? Big Mac pizza. Oh. Oh. Boom. Off the charts. This is off the charts delicious. Oh. Oh. Look. That's my Big Mac. That's a Big Mac McDonald's pizza. Come on, McDonald's, do better.
I'm laying down the challenge, McDonald's. Bring back the pizza. Call me. I'll help you out.
Sauce recipe is on my channel. Pizza dough recipe on my YouTube channel as well. And you just watched me construct this fantastic pizza. If I can do it, you can do it. Please also remember, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Turn on that notification button so every time I post a new recipe, you're first to receive that notification and you can cook right along with me. Until next time, happy cooking. Skip the drive-through line. Try this one. Oh, this is so good. Oh my gosh. Street food, fast food, skip the drive-through and make great food. Boom. Wow.